Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Lauren Vic Rodriguez. I'm 34 years old, 5'2", 50 kilos, single. I have 2 kids, 16 and 11 years old, from Rizal, Philippines. College level HRM and vocational graduate caregiver. First timer applying as a caregiver bound to Dubai here in the Philippines. My work experience are assistant nurse caregiver 2023-2024. I can do also bathing, grooming, laundry and helping dressing, mobility assistance, communicating with the doctors and monitoring medications, companionship and emotional support. And then I know the intravenous therapy and take a vital sign. I'm willing to learn how to cook Arabic food. I'm honest and hardworking person. Thank you, Madam Sir.